Hello children, this is St. Florence YouTube channel. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher. Today I am going to start a new chapter. It's not new chapter, it is continuation of coordinate geometry. Previous I have taught you area of triangle, that is in CBSE board and not in ICSE board, but this is ICSE board. What is equation of straight line? Very important chapter. So here I want to give the correct concept so that you can understand this particular chapter in a very easy way. Now what is that? We are going to learn first slope. It is very important. What is slope? Or what is gradient? Or what is inclination? That we have to understand from here. What is the angle which a straight line makes? A straight line is there. What is this? This is a coordinate. This is a coordinates. Sorry, it is a x axis and it is y axis. It is x axis and it is y axis. And this is the first quadrant. Okay. Now, the angle which a straight line makes with the positive direction of x axis, very important. Positive direction of x axis. This is the x axis. This is the positive direction in this side. Positive direction of x axis measured in the anti-clockwise. That means measured with the anti-clockwise. This angle. Here, this angle. Okay, children? This angle. Anti-clockwise direction is called the inclination of the line. Inclination what? The line is not straight, bends. So this is the inclination, this angle. This is the angle. This angle generally I said theta. What is called this angle? This angle is said to be theta. This angle is only, it is said to be gradient, it is said to be slope. It is denoted by tan theta also and by m also. A lot of names are there. One I have to explain you. Generally, this angle is known as slope. Okay? The slope is denoted as tan theta. And tan theta is said to be m. So what is slope? Generally m. Why? T we cannot say, S we can say. But generally in all the books if you find what is that it is written as m. M is said to be slope. So we also consider in the same manner so that easily we can understand. The slope means what is m. M what is tan theta. Theta what is this angle. This angle may be 60 degree, maybe 30 degree, maybe 45 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, many. Anything can happen. Because I don't know what is the angle. It is given in the question to you. Understand children? Generally standard angles is given. Standard angles values already we know. So easily you can find the slopes. If angle is given 22 degree, so you can find it, but difficult. We have to see the chart. That is given in the last page of the book. Of our book it is given. So generally standard angles are there. We can remember the formula previously. From there we can understand. So m what is? It is clear to you. M is the slope or gradient. M is the slope or the gradient. Tan theta. Theta is said to be the angle. Let this angle is 45 degree. Say this angle is 45 degree. Now what is the slope? Slope is, then I can say slope. Slope means m. Whenever I will use the word m, what is that? Slope. Now it is clear. Memorize yourself that m means slope. So slope means m. What is the degree? 45 degree. So slope what is? Tan 45. Tan 45 value already we know. Trigonometry we have learned. Trigonometry table you have to see the values are there. So tan 45 is 1. So what is the value? What is the slope? Slope is 1. Okay. If it is given let 120 degree. So 120 degree values easily we cannot find class 10 students. Some other ways to find out, but that value you should remember. I will tell you later on about this. Okay. Now if it is given 60 degree, let it is given like this. Given and this angle is given 60 degree. Okay. Now what is the slope? Slope means tan theta. Theta what is? 60 degree. So here I can say slope means what is m. What is m? Tan 60. Tan 60 degree you have to say. What is the value of 60 degree? Tan 60, what is the value? Tan 60 we have learned, that is value is root 3. So slope is root 3. So always angle is given to you. Angle is given to you, then easily we can find the slope. Some other way also there to find the slope, that we have to learn in the next part. Now see, so what is clear to you? Here you have understood m is denoted what is slope or gradient. Gradient means slope, both are same. Okay, whatever angle is given to 45 degree, slope is tan 45. Angle is given 60 degree, what is slope? Tan 60. If angle is given 30 degree, what is the slope? Tan 30. Okay. Now, after this, what else you have to know? First, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Okay. So, what is the angle of x-axis? Or any line parallel to x-axis, what is the angle? Angle is 0. Parallel to x-axis, angle is 0. Because it is 60, slowly come, 60 becomes 45, 30, 20, 10, then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is the slope of line parallel to x-axis? 0. Slope is 0. Understand, children? And then what is the slope when it is parallel to y-axis? Now try to understand this very nicely. Just have to get the idea about this. One line is there. So here is 60 degree, it will go slowly turn this side, it becomes like this. That means it should be parallel to this. What is its slope? Slope is 90 degree. Tan 90, it is undefined. Tan 90 is undefined value. Clear? Tan 0, what is 0? The slope, if x-axis is there, what is the slope? 0. If straight line parallel to y-axis is given, what is the slope? 90. Tan 90. Tan 90 what is? Undefined. That means it is 1 by 0 we can say. 1 by 0 means undefined values. Clear? Now, we have understood slope of this line, this type of lines, parallel to y-axis and parallel to x-axis. This is the slope parallel to x-axis. Its slope is 0. Slope of y-axis means undefined value because tan 90 value is undefined. In table it is given. Understood, children? Now, after this, little more we have to understand about the slope. Try to understand. I am rubbing this. Here, try to clear yourself. If it is given, then one term should be used here. What is? X-intercept. X-intercept means some part of x. Like one line is taken here. In x-intercept what is? Y value what is? Little bit idea already we have got it. Still I am saying you again. This is x-intercept what is? X-intercept value of x. Y is 0. When y-intercept is taken, then x is 0. So it should be what is? X comma 0. What is this? 0 comma y. Intercept is clear. If a line is drawn like this, so here is one point, here is one point. What is the value of this? X0. X I don't know. If it is given like this, so x should be 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3 comma 0 I will write. If it is given like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what is the value of this? 0 comma 5. So we have understood about the x-intercept, about the y-intercept, about the slope. Slope, understand? The slope is denoted by m. M means tan theta. Theta means the angle. That angle is given in the book. What is the angle? Maybe 45, 60, 30, 120 is given. 120 how to find? I will explain you. Okay? I'm just telling you, if 120 is given, this is not in your part, but I have to understand. Tan 120 means tan 180 minus 60. This is the question of class 11 actually. Tan 60 means it will come minus tan 60. That means minus root 3. Now we can say, sir, why 180 minus 60 written? Why minus tan 60 written? That is the question arise. Just giving a little idea about that. 120 means which quadrant? From here it is 90 degree, it is 180 degree, 91 is 270 and 360. So tan 120 in the second quadrant. Later on you have to learn in the details that in second quadrant tan is negative. In second quadrant tan is negative. So tan 120 is converted by 180 minus 60. We have converted in second quadrant to form standard angles, and as because tan is negative in second quadrant, so it is minus. Because tan in the second quadrant is negative. Don't try to know the details about this. This is class 11 chapter. Little values 120 or maybe 135. Two values should be given in class 9. So try to stay in that. Otherwise, it is a depth idea that you will understand everything in class 11. Understood, children? What to know? Tan 120, tan 135. These two generally given in class 10. So these two values are required. The value I will tell you while doing sums. So I think you have understand about the slope, how to denote, and then some formula is there. I want to explain some formula. This is the line, that means x-axis and y-axis. This is the quadrant. Let quadrant is given 3, let here is given one point. Say it is 3, 2. And here is one value is given 4, 1. Okay, 2 points are given. So try to understand, first try to understand formula. Let A given x1, y1, B given x2 and y2. There are 2 points is given A and B. 2 points is given, this one and this one. How to find? Or you can write here, better write x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. How to find the slope? Slope means what is? Slope means this. Slope means m, already I explained. So how to find the slope? Formula is there. What is the formula? Slope. Slope means m. What is formula m? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is one formula to find the slope. Now we have understood there are 2 formula. If these coordinates are given, we have to use this one. Understood, children? If 2 points are given, we can find the slope like this. This is the second one. And first one what I taught, if it is given, first one what I taught you, if it is given like this, it is given 60 degree. What is the slope? Slope is tan 60. That means root 3. So this way also you can find the slope. This way also you can find the slope. There is another way is that also I will teach you, but I am not teaching now how to find the slope from the equation. That while doing sums I will explain you. Now 2 ways you have understood. First, if angle is given, tan theta apply. If points are given, 2 coordinates is given, apply this formula. Remember, if degree is given, let 45 degrees given. What is the slope? Slope means m. M what is? Tan 45. Tan 45 value what is? 1. Clear? Number 2. Let 2 point is given. I am doing a small sum for you. One example I am doing you. Let A is given 2, 3 and B is given 1, 0. Okay. These 2 points is given. I have told you find the slope of this. Slope of AB. What to find? Slope. Slope means what is? Remember all of you. Slope means m. Formula what is? y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Here x1, y1. Already we know x1, y1, x2, y2. How to find? y2 minus y1 means 0 minus 3. And here what is? x2, 1. This is x1 means 1 and it is 2. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, what is coming? Minus 3 by minus 1. So 3 is your answer. Clear, children? If coordinates are given, apply this formula to find the slope, and if degree is given, apply this formula to find the slope. There is another way to find out, I will tell you later. Till now, you have to understand this particular part, then you have to come to the next part of this equation of straight lines. Goodbye, children.